Yo guys, welcome to a new video. So in the previous video I customized a lot of things with my LEDs. I put two LED strips behind my motherboard. I customized this one so it could be orange and put also a LED strip behind my underneath my GPU. And to control all that using my PC, I made this little setup here, which as you can see doesn't look very good. So today I will make this look better. I will fix that it will fit inside my case. So first to start, I will solder this part onto a PCB. So I got here my PCB and it's much bigger than I actually need. So first I will measure a bit how big I need, how much I need from this, and then I'll cut it off. So I'll do that before soldering because otherwise I may break something which is soldered. So that's why I do this first, and then I'll solder all the stuff on this, and then we'll continue the video. So as you can see, I soldered everything onto this proto shield and it doesn't look that good, but I made a case for it in Sketchup, so that's here. And I got here port for the power supply, which it will use. Here is this little hole, which I will explain later why I've got it. I got here the port for the Arduino, only as you can see I measured it right with this distance, but it has to be a bit higher because there's here this little space underneath. So I won't print it again. I will cut it. Well, first I will heat it a bit so it's a bit softer, the plastic, and then I will cut it a bit higher. And underneath we got these little holes, and that's so I made it that it will fit on these things behind my PC. So it's not the best solution probably because it's actually meant for cooling here, but I think it will be fine. And that's pretty much the case. On the top I made a few holes for cooling, not that it's needed, but I don't know, I just thought why not. And that's pretty much how I did this. So I will solder everything, well I will mount everything in my case, and I'll see you then. Okay, so if you've made like something like this, make sure to always check it before putting it into your case. So that's also what I did, and then I found that this middle one here didn't work. I don't know why. I tried to fix it. I found something that didn't work, but when I changed that, still wouldn't work. So I just made a whole new one. So there are 4 different ones right here, but only 3 are in use. So that's, I don't know why, but that's pretty much how I fixed it. So right now I'm gonna put it into my case, and that's gonna look pretty sick, I think. So let's go. So as you can see, it's ready and it's already in my PC. And this is what I did first. It was gluing the Arduino on into this case. Then after that I glued that other thing I soldered onto the PCB here at the bottom. And this reason I got here that little hole which I told earlier was so I could put there my cables, and I just can put them in and out. It works pretty good. And I also got here the power connector, as you can see. That's for the power, which is pretty obvious though. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.